enjoyed the Holiday Wonder Lights event that I went to. I thought it was really well done, and I liked that it was accessible. I was a little nervous going to the event because you never know with these types of activities and events if it is going to be kind of chronic illness friendly, if it's going to be ableist. This was done in a nice open space. There were no stairs, which was great. And although there wasn't a lot of seating, they did at least have some spaces where people could sit and relax. They even had one area where they were showing a vintage movie, and you could kind of just sit and watch like vintage Christmas movies, which I thought was really cool. I think it is important when people are holding events like this for the general public that they do consider those of us who tire easily, who have mobility issues and can't, stand or walk for long periods of time. I know there's like always so many things that I want to do around my city, around my country, even around the world, but I have to be realistic and consider if I'm actually going to be able to go to the event or to do the activity. So this was nice. What I wish that the event had done, however, is had an adults only night. This event is going on until January, I think the end of January, and it's only on Saturdays and Sundays, but I think it would have been fun if they had done maybe Friday nights for adults only. I thought it was really cute having the kids there. They were very excited about all the lights. I mean, my inner child was very excited about this event. So I really wasn't necessarily bothered by the fact that there were kids there. It's a family-friendly event. Of course, there are going to be children there. But I did think that it would have been really cool if they kind of had an adult-only night. This event would be such a great date night activity. It would also be something really nice for like adult family members to do, like a mother-daughter event, just like with your older kids, not necessarily your little kids, or even just like girls' night out with a group of friends. So I really think that all ages can enjoy this event. That's just maybe something that maybe the event organizers can consider in the future. Not that they're going to see this video, but anyway. Overall, I really liked it, and I thought that it was good for the ticket. Now, with that being said, I actually had bought the VIP ticket, which was not worth it. The VIP ticket was supposed to give you this little gift, and the gift was this like $2 3D generated toy. Like it was worth $2, but they were selling it for a lot more than that. And yeah, I didn't really think that the little VIP gift was worth it. And it was also supposed to help you skip the line, but because so many people bought the VIP ticket, our line was longer than the regular line. So if I were to go to this event again, I would definitely just buy the regular ticket. But in general, it was a fun event, and I loved that it was indoors. I do not do well with the cold. As much as, winter is beautiful, I don't love being outdoors in the cold. So this was nice to kind of walk around inside, see all these beautiful lights, take photos. It was a beautiful event. So I really enjoyed it, and I hope that you are having a good one. I'll talk to you later. Bye.